Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show what JavaScript bot is and how it can really helps you get more followers on Instagram and on Twitter. So basically there are a lot of applications like this has been launched over the past on JVZoo and Voya Plus, and there are some of the apps some of the startup apps also, for example Instagram, that has been shut down because of the terms and conditions it was violating of Instagram. And the reason behind that is that these services and the softwares, all of them that has been launched so far, they were using different sort of proxies, IPs, and some other things that makes them look robotic to Instagram, and that's why Instagram has shut down all these softwares and services, and those softwares and services are not able to work anymore. Keeping that in mind, we have created this software bot, basically is JavaScript Commission Bot. And what the good thing about this is that it has nothing to do with the proxies or the IPs, etc., because this is a Chrome extension. And what it's going to do is, once user install this Chrome extension, it's going to simply use users IPs, user computer's IP, and it's going to go and follow the people inside a particular Instagram accounts, which is related to the user's niche, right? So here you can see we have further options also, is because with the Instagram or talk about Twitter, if you follow many accounts per day, and it's gonna look like robotic, so it's Instagram and Twitter can even ban your account. So keep that in mind. Keeping that in mind, we just created this software and used all the security points here. For example, that how many followers is gonna follow per day or per minute, and the interval between those followers, and keeping everything so simple and so secure that that users' accounts don't get banned or restricted by Instagram or Twitter. So here's the Instagram one. It's similar like the one with the Instagram, and the Twitter one is also similar. So basically how these extensions basically works is that you just need to simply just install the extension, open your account, and any profile you want to just find the followers, or or follow the similar people inside the other people's account that is related to your niche, you can simply go in there and simply you can press the start button, and it's gonna start loading the accounts, and then starting automatically following those accounts as well. And it is way more secure than all the other apps out there, is because it has nothing to do with the proxies, and pretty much anything out there is not doing something like this, and it's not that safe. So that's a very good thing about this. And also users doesn't have to have this particular tab opened, and user can keep doing all their other work, and meanwhile it's gonna follow keep running the bot over to Instagram or on Twitter. So that's the good thing. The second thing that we have included inside this particular thing is our traffic generator. So basically, once they have an Instagram account and the Twitter, so what people can just need is a particular offer, right? Because now once they start following, people will start getting the traffic, right? So now they just need a particular product, particular offer that's proven to convert. So what we have done is, we have in the past we have some great offers that we have promoted, and especially Jono has promoted a lot of products that he has created, and they have done hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales. So what we have done is, we have included those done for you products here inside the system. That's gonna user can simply generate their own done for you campaigns, and they can leverage the Jono's authority in there, and they can create these kind of pages, and they're gonna get all the pages with their links on the page. So all these buy buttons on those bonus pages that Jono is offering for particular products, these buy buttons will have users affiliate links in there. So user can put all their links in there, and once once a person is here on his page and will buy it, so they're gonna simply get all the bonuses, because we have included all the bonuses inside the bonus page generator. There's a link for that user can give it to them. So that is a huge package that we have combined all together, along with the Instagram or Twitter bot, as well as the done for you campaigns that we are offering. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys need any help, feel free to contact us. Thanks.